Anong bubuhatin natin na bag? Ito ba o ito? O, hold mo to, ayusin ko yung t-shirt.
Okay. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm gonna show you something. We're going to PMA, Philippine Military Academy. So cold, you can wear that jacket.
Ito, iwan na natin.
I'm taking you somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, the wind is strong. Tara, tara, tara.
I think we're signal number 3 because the wind is so strong
You ready?
and so cold.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Hold. Yes. I'm gonna put you guys here.
Hindi, andito na. Sa mga trupa, i-POV lang namin yung drive namin ni Sofia papuntang PMA.
PMI. Just joking. PMA.
What does PMA stands for anyway? Do you know?
Philippine Misery. No. Military Academy.
Why did you think about a mission?
Misery?
Yeah.
Because I always say that
Okay.
of you.
Oh no, I think it's raining now.
I don't. Oh yeah, I think it's raining.
So far, papasok pa lang kami sa may luwakan. Afternoon, sir. Sir, manonood kami sa Bibial. Bibial? Opo.
Lisensya na lang, sir. Nakuha nyo na yung regulations natin, sir.
Oo, sir.
Basta maintain lang natin sa mga
Yes po.
30.
Yes
Basta
po.
hindi tayo makikita.
We're here, Sofia. They confiscated our driver's license.
Air off it. Lord.
Hindi na makikita ng bahay.
I'm going to the back.
Number 25 na, sir. Thank you po.
Hi guys. I'm just going to the back.
Kahapon walang pass, ngayon may pass na.
What do you mean pass?
May car pass na. Kahapon, diretso lang tayo.
Ngayon, meron car pass.
Ngayon may car pass na.
What is car pass? Like the let you go?
Alright. Oh, dito na tayo sa PMA, Sophia. Are you gonna sleep pa rin?
No. I just sleep a little bit. I only sleep for 5 minutes.
Maintain 3D bala.
Huh?
Maintain 30 para hindi daw matikitan. And we run almost 50, 60. Do you remember this place, Sophia?
No.
Look at that gun, it's so big.
Oh yeah. But that is not real, is that?
No, it's
That-
real.
That it was is
Speed limit 30. Baka pwede nang pumasok dito kahapon, hindi pwede. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, mag-a-attend kami sa Bibyal po. Manonood lang kami.
Oo sir, pero bawal lang sasakyan sa loob sir.
Bawal.
Walking lang tayo. Ang parking natin sir sa taas. Pero yun lang yun sir, right lane.
Dito sir sa van na yan, pwede
Bawal
dyan.
po dyan sir.
Bawal din
Oo
yan,
sir.
sir.
Sa officer's quarters kasi.
Okay, copy po.
Sa taas na lang po.
Noted po, sir. Pero sir, kahapon may nakita kong mga sasakyan doon.
Bawal lang kasi.
Ngayon, bawal.
na yun.
Wala talaga. Hindi naman pwede magpa.
bakit guard kahapon meron?
Kaya nga may mga sasakyan doon kahapon.
Pwede kahapon?
Opo.
Huh? Talaga? Bakit guard sabi ng lady na yun, sabi niya bawal?
Bawal na ngayon.
Hindi sabi yesterday, bakit yesterday pwede?
Kaya nga, I don't know why. Dito ulit tayo mapark parang the same as yesterday.
I'm always confused as always.
Oh, we do not have a parking space.
We have to go higher
Yeah.
and more to walk.
Yeah.
Huh? How many cars are there in here? months.
Are we gonna fit in there? No, we're not gonna fit. How about this one?
Yeah, we can fit in there.
We can fit?
Yeah. What do you say we cannot? Also, Daddy, what is this pass for?
What do you mean pass?
What is this tag for?
What do you mean tag? That's a visitor's pass.
I told you it's a pass. I mean pass, not tag.
Oops, I think we're good. Yan.
Are you sure we're good?
Dalhin natin yung racket mo para mapalo-palo tayo sa side. Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Yung pass iwan natin dito. Hindi pwede mawala yan.
Bakit hindi pwede mawala?
Siyempre, we still have to return this one. Maximum speed 30 kilometers. 50%.
Daddy, bakit sabi niya left and right?
Where?
Yung car mo.
What?
Yung car mo.
It's a hazard.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're just gonna leave this one.
It's a hazard?
Okay.
What is a hazard?
Yung medyo balik yung left and right.
Oh, okay.
Alright. We're just gonna need to return this later.
Later.
Opo.
When we go out.
Ano na?
Or,
Are you hungry?
no, not really, actually. But all of the umbrella is